Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this movie I will show you how to use the device information function of the Vivo PC software. When a ventilator has been connected by a USB cable to the computer, you will be able to quickly retrieve information from the connected ventilator. As you see, it will display the serial number of the ventilator, as well as information around the firmware version and operating times. From this window, it's also possible to erase memory data from the ventilator, reset the patient operating time, and rename the different profiles. In this window, you can change the profile names, which are named 1, 2, and 3 by default, and change them to, for example, day, night, and transport. These changes will apply immediately and be shown on the mode screen of the ventilator. So the device information screen allows you to quickly have access to some technical data from the ventilator, manage memory storage and displayed operating times, as well as adapt profile names to increase the ease of use for the patient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the other movies in this tutorial series to get more information on how to download data from the ventilator, analyze stored treatment data, and how to remotely monitor your patients. If you want more information, please visit our website on breas.com or contact your local Breas representative.